Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings. Lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of November. It is the Suva Beauty Saffron palette. Perfect for the fall. I'll put a link for this in the description box down below, as well as my other giveaways that I have going on too. My number one rule for all my giveaways is that you must be a subscriber to my channel. So today we are talking Ipsy. This is the Ipsy Plus box. And last month I did get the Ipsy Ultimate. I canceled because I said going into it I was probably only get it every couple months, kind of like the BoxyCharm, BoxyLuxe box. And so right now I just have the regular and the Ipsy Plus. I'm thinking about canceling the regular and only getting the Ipsy Plus. So let's dive, it's $25 a month. It does ship out every month. Let's dive in and see what we got for the month of November. It says discover yourself. Says what? There's a little card. It says Wild Side. This month, dare to step into uncharted territory. Electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. Please, I just want a far-flung destination, sitting on a beach. This is somebody else pay for it because I can't. This is my leaning into the unknown. You must find the most authentic version of yourself. Explore your 5 Glam Bag Plus products worth over $120 and prepare to swipe on something new and oh so you get to know your future favorites. By Doucce is their Punk Volumizing Mascara in black. Obviously all of these products are full size in this Ipsy Plus. It retails for $24, and if you love the look of false lashes, then this mascara is the one for you. It delivers on drama and length without any smudging, flaking, or clumping. It's from Doucce, a beauty brand founded by 2 fashion and beauty pros who celebrate expressing individuality through makeup. Actually, I have a Doucce lip product on right now. I have the Luscious Lip Stain, and I've been loving lip stains more than just your regular liquid matte kind of. And then this, the one that package I got also came with a gloss with it as well. Anyway, so huge, thick, super thick wand. So I'm okay with the thicker wands on the top lashes. On the bottom lashes, I want a really tiny one because I just have, just be able to lightly coat this. I am right now in the process of doing a mascara review series, so be on the lookout for this in an upcoming video. And then Doucce is also cruelty free. By Murad, another cruelty-free brand, is a skin perfecting lotion. When you apply Murad products, you know that they really work. By a derm, Dr. Howard Murad. The use of high performance technologies to target your skin concerns, made with honey extract. This hydrating lotion soothes redness, great for hipsters with acne-prone skin. Tip every day after cleansing and toning, massage the moisturizer evenly over your face, neck, and chest for optimal results, followed by facial sunscreen during the day. I love using one. I don't have a ton of like breakouts and stuff like that going on. I'm in my mid-40s. Don't have that. But what I will do is like once a week do something like this just to make sure everything is kind of in check and under control. So look forward to this one, and I may even have my son use it too because he's a 17-year-old boy. By Seraphine Botanicals Happy Hibiscus Blush Palette. Makeup's healthy, organic, and fair trade. Feel good using it. Sign us up. This vegan blush palette is made with 99% natural ingredients, and it's flattering on every skin tone. The peachy and shimmery shades can be mixed and matched for a custom glowy flush. Tip: apply either Hibiscus or Petal Blush to the apples of your cheeks for a luminous pop of color, for a touch of shimmer, Sweet Harvest Dewdrop on the high points of your cheekbones. I have so many blush palettes, you guys, and contour stuff. So I am going to put this one, it's sealed, I'm not gonna unseal it. I'm gonna put this in an upcoming giveaway. I've already started setting stuff aside for our 600 subscriber. So I'm gonna do a big giveaway when we get 600, so help us get there. By Gigi Gorgeous. This is a collaboration. It's the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo in Turnt and Extra, named for the YouTuber personality, author, and activist Gigi Gorgeous' limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. These versatile shades can be worn alone or layered for a bespoke bronzing effect. Tip, swirl your preferred brush into the pan, top off excess and dust over your forehead, cheekbones, and jawline, anywhere sunlight would hit your face. So like I said, I've already, I got a ton of blush and contour, so I'm going to be putting this one in an upcoming giveaway as well. I'm not one who's going to hoard a ton of makeup, you guys, just to say, hey, look at this big collection. Just not me. So I'd rather share it with you guys. By Belle and Argent is the Auteur Cream Lip Color in Smoking on Screen. We think this might be the most perfect fall lipstick ever. Made by Belle and Argent, a cruelty-free and vegan brand. This deep berry shade, ooh, I love berry shades, they're my favorite. The blue-red undertone, yes, I love the blues. I don't like orange undertones. Is infused with argan and jojoba oils to nourish and protect while coating your lips in a creamy color. Tip, wear alone or pair with a gloss for added shine. Line your lips with the matching pencil for classic definition. This retails for $26 for lipstick. This is look at that color. This packaging is everything. Look at that. Oh, and it's magnetic. This is so pretty, you guys. I love this color. This is my favorite color to wear. Look how gorgeous that is. I am super excited for this one. Yay! Love this. This is like what you would put like on display in your bathroom. This is so, so pretty. And then it also came with a makeup bag. So the retail value of this box is $164. I mean, I've had better boxes. This lipstick is by far my favorite thing in this entire box. Love it. What were your guys' favorite things? I got stuff in here for me. I've got stuff in here for you for an upcoming giveaway. Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me. It really does. When you guys like and subscribe, hit that notification bell. Just do a double tap when you subscribe, and that way you'll be notified when we do post other videos. As always, you guys, have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.